Today, we're delving into the world of remote work. This unique flexibility can be a double-edged sword, offering both freedom and control, but also the potential for stress and lost productivity. In this video, we'll guide you through harnessing this freedom and control to transform your home into a real productivity powerhouse. Today, we're sharing practical tips to improve your remote work experience. Whether you're a seasoned remote worker or just starting out, these strategies will help you better manage your time and workload. By the end of this video, you'll have some practical tools to help you be more efficient and achieve more without burning out. When you work from home, structuring your day is key. Things can slip easily without a boss breathing down your neck or office hours to stick to. Here are a few ways to keep you on track. This concept comes from Mark Twain's well-known quote, "If your task is to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if you have two frogs, start with the biggest one." In other words, tackle your biggest, most daunting task first thing in the day. This way, you get the most important work done while your energy is fresh and prevent procrastination from taking over. Do any task that takes less than a minute immediately. It's easy to get overwhelmed by small tasks, but doing them quickly keeps your mind clear for bigger projects. Whether it's answering a short email or tidying your desk, doing these mini tasks immediately prevents them from becoming distractions. Time blocking is a great way to structure your day. Allocate specific times for specific tasks, a block of time for deep work, another for meetings, and so on. This keeps you focused and prevents your day from falling into chaos. Even with the perfect schedule, staying motivated can be tough, especially when the fridge or Netflix is just a few steps away. Here are a few productivity hacks to help you get through. Break big tasks into smaller goals and reward yourself when you've completed them. For instance, instead of starting your day with distractions like emails or social media, set a goal to finish a chunk of work first and reward yourself with a coffee break or a short walk. It might sound wild, but one way to stay motivated for tomorrow is to leave a project unfinished today. If you have a big task, leave it half done by the end of the day. When you return, your brain will naturally want to finish it, so getting straight into it is easier. Without a boss breathing down your neck, losing focus is easy. Create accountability by sharing your ideas with colleagues or using apps to monitor your progress. You can also set stricter deadlines with your manager or clients. This keeps you on track and prevents you from leaving everything until the last minute. Use tools for project management like Trello or Asana to track your tasks and deadlines, or you can set up regular check-ins with a colleague to review your progress. Plan your day the night before. To be even more productive, plan your day the night before. This simple habit will help you prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and reduce morning stress. By outlining your objectives, you'll wake up with a clear idea of what needs to be done, and it'll be easier to stay on track. A routine will boost your productivity, help you achieve a better work-life balance, and get the most out of remote work. Working from home has its benefits, but it can also make it easy to develop unhealthy habits. Without the routine of going to an office, you might find yourself skipping meals or not exercising. Here's how to avoid that. Establish a daily routine that includes time for exercise, healthy meals, and breaks. Treat your day as if you were going to the office. Set a start and end time, and make sure you get up and move regularly. Don't work through your breaks. Taking time to rest and recharge is key to productivity. Get up from your desk, go for a walk, or stretch. This downtime will help you return to work with more energy and focus. Just because you're working from home doesn't mean you should neglect your appearance. Dress professionally, even just for yourself, and you'll be in the right mindset to work. It's all about creating a mental separation between work and personal time. Setting boundaries. Clear boundaries between work and personal life are crucial for balance, especially in remote work. Without these boundaries, you'll work all the time, burn out, and suffer from productivity. One of the first steps is to communicate your availability to family and friends. Let them know your work hours and that you shouldn't be interrupted during those hours. This will create an environment that respects your work commitments. It would be best to disconnect from work after work hours. Consider setting a specific time to log off each day and sticking to it. You can also create a ritual like shutting down your computer or changing into casual clothes to signal the end of your workday. Connect with colleagues. Connecting with colleagues remotely is important for mental well-being and team cohesion. Regular check-ins and virtual coffee breaks will create a sense of community among colleagues where everyone can share updates, discuss challenges, and celebrate successes. These informal interactions will break the isolation of remote work and help you stay engaged with the team. Create a dedicated workspace separate from your living area. This will help create a boundary between work and relaxation and make it easier to switch off at the end of the day. Don't work in your bedroom or on the couch, as this will blur the line between work and rest. Your brain needs physical cues to differentiate between work mode and relax mode. A cluttered, noisy space will make it hard to focus and cause distractions and frustration. By creating a home office, you're creating an environment that emphasizes focus and productivity. Surround your workspace with things that inspire you. Whether it's motivational quotes, pictures of loved ones, or examples of your best work, having visual reminders of what you're working towards will keep you motivated and focused. A cluttered desk leads to an untidy mind. Keep your office clean and organized by using minimal decor and creating systems for paperwork and supplies. This will help you stay focused and reduce distractions. To sum up, 1. Structure your day and do your most important tasks first. 2. Use productivity hacks like small rewards and accountability to stay on track. 3. Prioritize your well-being by creating routines and taking breaks. 4. Set up a workspace that's separate, inspiring, and organized. Implementing these tips will boost your productivity and help you achieve a healthier work-life balance. If you liked this video, please share it with someone who might need these tips and subscribe. Thanks, and see you in the next video.